Hi there. It's so yummy, guys. Hi guys. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Purity Chas channel, guys. So in this video, we are going to be preparing Nigerian moimoi. So guys, as you can see, these are my ingredients we are going to use to prepare this Nigerian moimoi. So I'm going to be using these beans. You can see the beans. So I'm using this white beans. So in here, all my ingredients are here. I have my, you can see all my ingredients in here. I have my powder mango, my powder garlic, my powder ginger. I will be using all red oil and groundnut oil together. So I have my salt, my egg, my onions, my red pepper. This is my beans, guys. As you can see, I've already peeled it, remove the peel. So as you can see, wow, okay, yummy now. Wow, 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 wow. Hey guys, so I'm going to be using cooked egg and for this moimoi. So at this point, I want to use this medium to thank my old and new subscribers, my lovers, my friends, my family, and my returning subscriber. And if today is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, please subscribe and like and share, so that anytime I upload any video, you'll be the first to notify, guys. Thank you and God bless you. Keep watching, guys. So we are going to start now. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to blend my beans. As you can see, I've already removed the peel. I already peeled the beans, guys. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to blend it. I am going to blend it, okay guys? So stay tuned. Bring your chair and sit down and watch this video to the end, guys. Okay, this is my beans. I've already peeled it. So, and this is my egg. I'm going to be using cooked egg, and so this is leftover beans. I'm going to use this one to cook beans and plantain next time. Okay, so put it aside. My oil. Yeah guys, let's dive in. Let's dive in, guys. Let's dive in, guys. Let's dive in. So guys, we are going to start now. So with this stream, guys, I'm going to blend it. I am going to blend it. You can see my blender. I am going to blend it. So add a little bit of water. So guys, you can see this is the last step. I don't put everything I need margin, everything I want. I put inside my blender with the remaining beans. So I'm going to blend all of them together so that it's going to mix together, guys. Okay, so as you can see, my margin, my ginger powder, everything is inside. So I'm going to blend this now. Okay guys, So guys, this is my plastic cup I'm going to be used now, guys. This very plastic cup I'm going to be used. You can make it two, you can make it one, okay? It's not going to burn, okay? And this is my crayfish and my moimoi. So if you want to put the moimoi in the pot, you have to make sure you put foil paper, which is aluminum paper. You have to put it in the down of the pot, okay, so that the moimoi, when the water gets down, the moimoi will not get burned, okay guys. So we are going to mix it with red oil and my groundnut oil, okay guys. So I'm going to be adding my crayfish. You can see guys, I just add my oil, my red oil. So I'm going to be adding my groundnut oil, guys. So guys, you can see I just mix my red oil and groundnut oil together, okay. So guys, this is it. Still waiting for my moimoi to done. My eggs. So guys, you can see I used groundnut oil to rub the plastic cup, okay guys. You can see I use groundnut oil. So guys, you can see this is my cooked egg. So I've cut into 2 parts. So guys, let's go. So guys, you can see this is my moimoi. So I'm going to put in the so I'm going to put in my egg now. So guys, so I'm going to put it in the pot to get cooked, guys, okay. So let's put it in the pot, okay guys. So guys, this is my moimoi. So I'm going to cover it now. We are going to cover it. So guys, this is the end of my moimoi. So guys, so join us as we eat this moimoi, okay guys, join me. Wow, so yummy. Thank you guys, see you in our next video. Bye bye. Wow. Yummy. Mm. Thank you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Wait. You don't laugh finish, you just want the wrong go. No, now press that red button to subscribe. Yes, that red button, press am to subscribe. Now yeah, press that bell. That school bell, press am to the get our notification. Now if you dey go, thank you. I love ya.